right here in Akshardham, Robbinsville, New Jersey. I am architect Prashant Parmar, witnessing the occasion which occurs once in a millennium. Welcome to BAPS Swaminarayan Akshardham, a landmark of art, architecture and spirituality. The Akshardham campus, including this Mahamandir, is a testament to the love, dedication and skill of our 12,500 volunteers who came together. This 255 feet wide, 345 feet long and 191 feet tall Mahamandir is the largest Hindu mandir of these modern times. Welcome to Nilkant Plaza, where you can see 49 feet tall Murti of Sri Nilkant Varni, later known as Bhagwan Sri Swaminarayan. A journey over 7,000 miles across India, inspiring simplicity, integrity, fearlessness and much more. This Parikrama colonnade is 2,500 feet long, 15 feet wide and 42 feet tall, having 540 columns. This majestic Mahamandir is built across 185 acres of land using 1.9 million cubic feet of stone. This Haveli represents the exquisite wood craftsmanship which unveils the elegance of Indian traditional art and architecture. This architecture marvel is built to last 1,000 years with love, dedication and selfless service.